Hi, Regional Engagement Team. Alaric Hamill here, and I'm going to step through what it takes to, in WordPress, create a club presence. Just in case I happen to fall away and we need that on the fly, one of our team members can pick up the slack and get us what we need. So you can see here we're on the UVaClub of New Mexico page that was just created for that presence. And what we're going to do is I'm going to walk through what it takes to create the UVaClub of Las Vegas page. So you can see here I'm logged in, and I go to the menu here, the drop down toolbar, new and new group, and that takes me right into the WordPress backend for creating that new group. Okay, so here we are, we're in the add new group functionality here. I enter the title here for the UVaClub of Las Vegas. We want to make sure under group types, select it as club. Now each one gets a default image, or I guess a standard image, and we go here to add image, and those are stored on the F drive. So under select image, select files, and then we're going to browse. Right now it's on New Mexico, but it's through on the F drive, the engagement community, new website, and then under those folders, US locations, and then we can go to Nevada and select not the image for Las Vegas. It uploads it here, and then we click select, and there it is. For UVA contact, that's the REO. We're going to go ahead and select Beverly, and then here we have another thing, club events and state events RSS, and that we go to the RSS events builder, which is you can get through the alumni calendar, and you can also go to this link here, which we'll have on a overlay. So we want to make sure we select alumni calendar, RSS, go out to 31 days, and now I'm just going to select the Club of Las Vegas here. Let's see, Las Vegas, there we go. Come on down to the bottom of the page, right click and copy link location for that RSS feed. And we go here and enter it under the Club RSS. Now to make sure it goes out to 60 days, I want to change it from 31 to 60. Okay, and then there's going to be a state RSS feed. So this would be for all of any event that happens in Nevada. So we go back to the RSS builder, select state of Nevada, and then we can uncheck Las Vegas because that would be included anyway. And then copy link and then add it into the state RSS feed. Okay, and then make sure that I find the 31 here and replace it with 60. Okay, and then for map dot, I'm just going to enter in Las Vegas, Nevada, and let Google do the rest. Okay, now here this would be where the club's specific Facebook page would go, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google+, Picasa, Flickr, and then any Flickr RSS feeds that are through the club or through the UVA Global Network Flickr account. This club is not that active yet so far, so these are empty for now, but we can always go back and add them in. Okay, now we're going to go to make sure we get some welcome text in here. And for that, I can go to a previous club's page, like here, the UVaClub of New Mexico, and use that default text, copy it, Control-C, and then paste it in here. And then make sure I change from New Mexico to Las Vegas. Okay, and now we got the default text in there. Now we're going to make sure and add a tab for support, the donation model. Again, we can go here to the UVaClub of New Mexico, or any of the ones with the default text. Copy all that default text there, add a support tab, and paste it in. And again, make sure that I change here from New Mexico to Las Vegas. And there we go. Okay, and now there's just a couple things to do to finish up. Want to make sure to add the contacts, club contacts, of course, here. So we're on this page for editing the club, and now under the contact section, I can click add contact. And then from advanced, I can pull up that the club president is Christine A. Duck, and she was class 05, and president, and and allisonduck@gmail.com. Okay, and now president is the one that pulls in first on the club map pin. Alright, then the final thing here is going to be to edit the URL, make it friendly. So here we can just add in, so they can go to uvaclubs.virginia.edu/Las Vegas. Alright, and now we're going to publish, and we'll be able to see what it looks like. Okay, and now you see that it says post published here on this little notification, and we can click on view post, and it'll pull up, and we'll get an idea of how, and that's it, show from start to finish how that works. So here we go, UVA Club of Las Vegas. There's a friendly URL. We have the welcome tab with the default text, support tab, and contact. And now I'll go back and, without boring you guys, add club contacts, but the rest of them. But for now, we got the president and we got the REO in, and that'll do. Then all down here is where all the content will pull in. All right. Hope this helps.